Uh, One time for the dreamers, two times for the grind. You set in the spot, yeah, it's your time to shine. Freedom ain't a myth, it's digital now, let's go get it. Started with a laptop, vision in my head. Tired of the job, couldn't live in the red. Tapped into skills, now I teach the game. Daily pays the move.
Hey there. If you're an entrepreneur, maybe you're part of Gen X, and you're just feeling like you're ready for a real significant change in your life, then you're in exactly the right place. We're going to break down the blueprint to building a business that's all about freedom and, yes, automated income. Let's dive in. So, let me just ask you, does this feel familiar at all? For so many of us, this is just the day-to-day. That little voice in the back of your head that keeps saying, there's got to be a better way to do this. Are you just feeling stuck in that 9-to-5 hamster wheel? You know, trading your most precious resource, your time, just for a paycheck? If you're craving more freedom, more control over your own life, and a real path to financial security, I want you to know that's not just a pipe dream. It's absolutely possible. And that's the great news, right? There is another way. This isn't some fantasy. It's a very real future that a lot of people are building for themselves right now. Let's actually look at what that reality could be for you. Just take a second and let that sink in. Seriously, imagine a business where all the really heavy lifting, creating products, managing inventory, dealing with customer service is already done. A business where your main job is just to share and connect with people. That's the heart of what we're talking about today. So what is this? It's a model called a done-for-you digital business, or DFY for short. And the key here is that it's a pre-built automated engine. The product's there, the system's in place, and it's all designed so you can skip all those initial startup headaches and jump right into the fun stuff, marketing and growing your business. Now, this isn't about guessing or trying to reinvent the wheel. It's about following a proven blueprint. Think of it like a bridge that connects where you are right now to that future of freedom you've been thinking about. Let's walk through the steps. The whole path really breaks down into 4 clear, manageable stages. First, you've got to choose the right business to begin with. Then, you set up your automated system. Third, you start attracting your people, your audience. And finally, you automate the income so the business is actually working for you. Everything, and I mean everything, starts with step 1. This is probably the most critical decision you'll make, choosing a winning business. Because, let's be honest, not all opportunities out there are created equal. Here's a simple checklist of what you should be looking for. You need high-quality digital products that people actually want and need. It should have a proven track record. You want to see that it's already selling. You need that automated delivery system. And look at this last one, because it's a game changer. A model that lets you keep 100% of the profits. All right, so once you've picked your business, it's time for step 2. Build your digital storefront. This is your own little piece of the internet that's open and working for you 24/7. And it's not as scary as it sounds. It's really just your automated sales system. And this is basically what it's made of. You need a simple domain, a way to collect emails, which is so important. We'll talk more about that in a minute. A great sales page that does the selling for you, a super easy checkout process, and of course, that instant automated product delivery. This is the machine that just runs for you in the background. Okay, so once your system is built, your focus gets to shift to what I think is the most creative and rewarding part, attracting your audience. This is where you get to connect with people by sharing things they find valuable. And you know what the best part is? The strategies we're about to look at don't require you to spend a ton of money on ads. This shows you exactly where you can put your energy. You can use platforms that you're probably already on, like TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. You can create helpful, value-packed videos for YouTube. Or you can engage in communities, like Facebook groups, where your ideal customers are already hanging out. The whole idea is to give value first. And now we get to the most powerful part of this whole blueprint, building your automated income engine. This is the thing that truly creates freedom. It's what allows you to make sales anytime, day or night, whether you're working, sleeping, or finally taking that vacation. Okay, this is so crucial. Think of it like this. Social media, that's rented land. The platform owns your audience, right? An algorithm can change and poof, your reach is gone. You could even lose your account. But your email list, that is owned land. It is a direct line to your audience that you control. It's an asset you own forever, and it's how you build real, long-term trust and security. And let's not just gloss over this number, 100%. With a model like this, you're not earning some tiny little affiliate commission. For every single sale you make, you keep all of the profit. That right there is how you can completely change your financial trajectory.
So, you've seen the blueprint. You understand the pieces. You can see the potential. Now, it's about taking that next step. It's time to go from just learning about all this to actually earning. And the best part is, you don't have to do it by yourself.
You know, a huge fear for people starting something new is that feeling of being lost or totally alone. But a good blueprint comes with a massive support system. We're talking a community of people on the exact same path as you, ongoing mentorship, and weekly trainings to make sure you always feel confident and know exactly what to do next.
So that's the breakdown. That's the Freedom Business Blueprint. If this resonates with you at all, if you're ready to see what this is all about and explore it more, your next step is really simple. Just comment the word info below, and I will personally send you the link with all the details you need to get started. Thank you so much for your time.
$6 to crack. Whoa!